In this video I'm going to show you how you can create variables in Pencil so that you don't need to change every single color in your CSS one by one, but you can just create one variable and change it for every single component as you like. So in the last video we've created this landing page in under a minute. So here I'm just going to give it a prompt: create a variable of the white buttons you have used and change the color to each white button to green. And just as that, because it's hooked up to your preferred AI, I'm using 5.3 codecs, as you can see. It just uses that API key. You can connect it to codecs through your MCP servers. You can do it in the settings of codecs, and from there now you select MCP servers and you make sure Pencil is connected. After that it just starts working. I'll be back in less than a minute. Ah, perfect. Here it is. Reef is working on it, and Reef has changed the white buttons all to green in less than 5 seconds. It takes a screenshot, it checks it. This is such a powerful tool for designing. You should really try it out. So this was how you can create a variable and with your own CSS design tokens, and how you can manage them all for one place using Pencil.